Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum. So how do you negate the present tense? So all you have to do actually is just add a lam before the verb. Remember in the past tense all we did was add a meme with an alif? Well, this time around all we're doing is adding a lam with an alif. Right? That's it. One thing to keep in mind is that a meme with an alif can be used before the present tense verb to negate it, but it's not really common. So many people don't do that. So it's not necessarily a recommended practice. It's an acceptable practice, but it's not recommended. That's just something to keep in mind. So let's take a look at some examples. ما أكل علي تفاحا. This means Ali did not, so Ali did not eat an apple. Right? We know Ali is the doer because he's in a state of rafa. We know the apple is the thing being eaten because it's in a state of nasb. We know it's being put into the negative, so the action's not being performed because of the ma. Right? If we remove the ma, then it would be Ali ate an apple. The ma turns it into Ali did not eat an apple. So let's take a look at the present tense version. So by saying يأكل علي تفاحا, it would mean Ali is eating an apple, right? Ali is eating an apple. But if I want to say the negative of it, all you do is just attach that lam with an alif before, and it simply turns into Ali is not eating an apple. Let's take a look at another example. ما أكل ما أكلت. That should be أكلت. Right? We said that this would be أكلت because our doer is female and it's a single entity, so we'd refer to it with the hiya version of the verb. So remember it goes أكلا, أكلا, أكلوا, أكلت. The hiya version is akalat. And since we're dealing with a female doer, it would become akalat. As opposed to here, where it was a masculine doer, and it was akala, which is the huwa version. So, this, if we didn't have the ma, would be translated as Zainab ate food. But since the ma is there, it becomes Zainab did not eat food. In the present tense, all you gotta do is throw in the present tense verb, and then throw in the lam before, and it becomes Zainab is not eating food, right? We know Zainab's the doer because she's in a state of rafa, and we said Zainab would not take a double ending because it's a female name, and female names do not carry double endings, as opposed to Ali, which does carry a double ending. And we said ta'aman would be the thing in which is being eaten because it has a nasb ending. Okay, so let's take a look at one more example. ما أكلتي رمانا, which means you did not eat a pomegranate. That ma is added in the beginning to put it into the negative, so it becomes you did not eat a pomegranate. If you want to put this into the present tense, all you got to do is just change that verb into the female you version, so it becomes ta'kulina, and then throw the la in the beginning. So now it is you are not eating a pomegranate. And that's it. Assalamu alaikum.